Jai Bharat, dear children.
Jai
Jai
Bharat,
Bharat,
ma'am.
ma'am. Children, every day in our school, student pledge is spoken by the students in morning assembly. Keeping this in mind, I have made a video of the pledge for you. Watching this video, all of you remember the pledge and practice speaking with a beautiful accent. So children, you are presented with a student pledge. For this, first of all, you should stand in a careful or attention posture and spread your right hand directly forward towards shoulder height. The palm of the hand should be towards the ground and all the fingers should be straight. After this, you can speak the student pledge, which is like this. Now, Chilchil will speak today's pledge. Beta Chilchil, come forward and say the pledge. The rest of the children will repeat the pledge spoken by Chilchil. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, and prosperity alone, lies my happiness. Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.
Very good, children. That's all for today. Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.